we're back. And Lil Baby sent some more shit. So what we finna do? We finna open it. We finna taste it. And we finna fall in love with it, of course. First one, up for taste. Lil Baby barbecuing with my honey heat. Look at that right there. Lil Baby barbecuing with my honey heat. And the picture of him right here, he doing this. In the picture on the chip bag, he doing this. That's so 4PF, bro. Said, that's my chip. Be quiet. It tastes amazing. All right. Next one, Lil Baby, of course. You know what I'm saying? My nigga Dominic. Lil Baby barbecuing with my honey heat. Oh, shit. Yo, it's the same flavor, yo. Different. Oh, these are cheese puffs, G. Okay. These are flavored potato chips. And these are cheese puffs. The same flavor. These are cheese puffs. These is, oh my God. And we got to guess. Hold on. We got to guess. Can y'all guess who it is? No. Boosie Badass. We got Boosie Badass in this motherfucker, boy. Boosie's Louisiana Heat cheese puffs. And his picture like this. Bro, I don't know if they're good or not. Bro. Boosie's Louisiana cheese puffs. Boosie Badass. All right. We finna be honest. I hope I like them because I'm 4PF everything. Oh, fire. All right. We're going to be fucking for it. All right. But first things first, the bag is about what? 8 inches tall. The chips right here. The bag is about 8 inches tall. And the chips, yo. I just open it. They might as well be gone. Anyways, come on, baby. Come on, baby. He is indeed barbecuing with his honey heat. Oh my God. These better than the last ones too. Like my first review. Go back to another one. My first review. Boy, he's blessing. Oh my God. Like a little bit of heat on the back end, on the front end, straight barbecue. That 4PS shit. Real shit. These are competing with the kettle chips, the honey kettle wavy johns, the Lay's johns, the Hawaiian barbecue johns. Top 2, not 2. All right. Next. Lil Baby barbecuing honey heat cheese puffs. Oh hell. I'm as big as I'll get out. Okay. Let me be honest with y'all. Oh my God. Dominique, baby. Bro, I actually don't really like cheese puffs. But for some reason I like these. I guess I'm 4PF, man. Well, it's the same flavor, but the subtleties are like major. Does that make sense? Same flavor, but I see the difference. Basically what I'm trying to say. Fight! Alright. And now for the guest appearance. Boosie Badass said, sometimes you need those bad days because it helps you truly appreciate the good ones. Alright, Boosie. Louisiana Heat. Cheese puffs. Boosie Badass. Ooh, I can smell the heat out the goddamn bag, folks. I promise you. Like, it's right. Like you can smell it. You can smell it. Get right there. It's like, oh, back up. Whoo, fuck. You know what I'm saying? It's one of them. Whoo, one of them. Maybe what I say. All right, y'all. Like, they cool. They cool. Is Lil Baby's snacks better? Yes. yes, they are. But they're cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. They're indeed cool. Like, the flavor is cool. But it's just, like, real subtle. Good. It's good. I'm good. Alright. Boosie Badass. Cheese Puffs. Louisiana Heat. Out of 10, Cheese Puffs. Y'all, they're Cheese Puffs, y'all. So just know that. Out of 10, 6. Good. It's good. I'm eat one more, so y'all know I'm not fucking with y'all. It's shit good. I ate it. Right now, the 4PF bag, QC, Dominique, barbecuing, honey heat, cheese puffs. Once again. Same category, cheese puff. 7, and they fire. Now, now these, these right here, the barbecue and potato chips, like, they're fire. Like, they're really fucking good. Barbecue, like, the honey heat is that twist that, like, nobody else got. Because basically, Lil Baby was thinking when he was at home, and he was like, how can I make the best barbecue chip? You know what I'm saying? With his team, he called me up. I was whoop, 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 whoop. And then, boom, this came out. It's fire. It really is fire. Like, it's top 5 barbecue chip in the league right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, unless Rod Wave come out with a better barbecue chip, I'll wait. We ain't stuff yet. Like, follow, subscribe, comment, share, repost. Talk to me. I'll talk back. You know what I'm saying? Gang shit. Out.